Okay, now we're going to talk about the checkbox. So we're in the Developer tab on a worksheet, and we're going to go to the ActiveX control called the checkbox right here. So let's put a checkbox right here just by single clicking. I will right click and go to the properties. If nothing more than to just change the caption, I'm going to say, do you like birds? Question mark. Why not? If they like birds or not. So a checkbox obviously is only one of two answers. It's either true, checked, or false, unchecked. Okay? So that's the value that it takes on. It's Boolean. It's true or it's false. That's all it can ever be. So, just taking it off design mode right here. I click on it. If I click on the label or if I click on the actual checkbox itself, it takes on the value of true or the value of false. So if we analyze it, let's go to insert and let's do another ActiveX control. Let's do a button right here. And so let's have a double click on the button. And it seems contrary a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and have this first one trigger whenever the button is clicked. But it's going to analyze the value of that checkbox. So it's kind of cool. First things first. We're going to say if, and then we're going to say me dot. Now, me, in this case, means the worksheet, sheet 3. So, me dot, and let's see, we didn't label the checkbox, so it should just be checkbox 1. Yes, if me dot checkbox 1 equals true, then we'll do a message box that says, we love birds too. And then I'm going to do an else, and obviously that means if they checked false, but otherwise you could say else if me.checkbox1 equals false. That's kind of pointless. Otherwise, we're going to say the message box is you should like birds. And an end if. So now, let's get out of design mode. I'm going to click the button, and you notice there's no birds that has been checked. So it's going to say, you should like birds. Why don't you like birds? Hit OK. Well, then I'll check this, and I'll click the button again. We love birds too. See? So that is equal to true right now. That's the first way to use a checkbox for its value.